This is my first time cooking something major in 6 months. For the last 6 months, I've probably only made noodles and fried plantain, made a bagel here and there, fried eggs here and there, but I haven't like cooked something hearty in like 6 months. So this is really relaxing, this is really grounding, and I definitely enjoyed the process. I've been craving something that feels like home, essentially. I've been craving something that feels like home, and I am quite familiar and associate the term concoction rice with Nigeria. So like, I've been craving that taste, I've been craving that feeling. Not that I don't have anything Nigerian here, but like something that I'm like, something from my hand, I've been craving that. So I said, you know what, got the ingredients, got the spices, let's just cook something up, and that's my concoction rice. Just a concoction of different things. But not that I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, but at the same time, I'm kind of concocting in a sense, you know. But yeah, like this was really relaxing. It was really grounding, and even though the food is super spicy, from what I could tell, I can tell that it's gonna be delicious. Of course, it's gonna be delicious. It's rice, and rice is my comfort meal, so I know I'm gonna enjoy it. But I'm just scared of the spice. The spice is it's a bit scary. But yeah, it looks good so far. I should have known. Like, I already put 2 peppers. Why on earth did I add so much cayenne pepper spice? I shouldn't have done that. I think for a second there I forgot that I already cut pepper into the like whole ingredients, and then I now thought that maybe there was no pepper, and I was adding so much cayenne pepper, and then I added black pepper, and then I added, what was it, paprika? Oh my gosh, concoction indeed. But it's kind of like beautiful chaos. I hope so. So it needs just a little bit more water because I can still tell that it's hard. And I can also tell that it's losing its salt, like a taste. So I'm gonna mix some salt in the water.
매출매매 감사합니다. 오케이. 아유 좋았어요. 고생하셨어요.
Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. This food is the type of meal that looks delicious and colorful, but is actually not. Because, bro, it's not even savory at all. It's not savory, but you know, not terrible for a comeback. It's not totally unbearable for a comeback, but it's definitely not the rice I'd cook in my prime, you know? Anyhow, let's just eat and have a relaxing evening. Literally how I look when I'm taking videos. That's what you call running away from your demons. You flee. You flee. You don't wait, you flee. The yearning in the show is top tier. Like, that's my favorite thing, honestly. The yearning in the comedy, top tier. And that's why you should watch Dynamite Kiss, because it's really good. Okay?